Well, Delhi on Friday logged 348 COVID deaths. This is the biggest single-day spike in death count for the national capital. The city also reported 24,331 fresh infections amid the rapid second wave of the pandemic. The national capital is the worst-hit city in the country currently, and it's been reporting the biggest daily spikes in COVID cases all of this month. The city's positivity rate is at 32%, and the national capital currently has over 92,000 active cases, which is also a record. Arvind Gunasekar, tracking the details of this story from the national capital, joins us. Arvind, it is a dire situation as far as Delhi is concerned. Every day is a record high in terms of cases, deaths, active cases, and to compound the problem, there is the acute shortage of medical oxygen.
Yeah, Rishika, if you could take the Delhi data that has been made public by the Delhi government, it shows that almost 348 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours alone. That's the highest that has ever been recorded in the national capital. Almost 348 people have died due to COVID in the last 24 hours. If you could check the positive cases, it's somewhere around over 24,000 cases. What is more worrying is the positivity rate. The positivity rate is still over 30%. Almost 33% is the positivity rate in the national capital. That is very worrying. So out of almost 75,000 tests conducted, even the tests are coming down. Out of 75,000 tests conducted, almost 24,000 have tested positive. So that's a very worrying sign. So coming to the point that you raised regarding the oxygen supply, that has been the alarming situation in the national capital. Several constitutional courts have also taken note of it, and the central government is saying that they are trying every step. They are taking every step to ensure that the national capital gets sufficient oxygen supply. So what we are being told is that very soon the oxygen situation in the national capital will be sorted out. But what we are seeing is that hospital after hospital is sending an SOS message for the oxygen, for the shortage of oxygen. Even now, two hospitals, one Mulchand and also Women's, both very big hospitals, both dedicated COVID hospitals, have already sent a SOS message asking for oxygen. So the Delhi government has appointed a nodal officer, but it looks like though the allocation has been made for the national capital, but the end point, the supply chain to the end point is still not materializing, and that's why we are seeing such SOS messages from one after another hospital. Rishika?
All right, Arvind, appreciate you for joining us with the very latest.